Have you been in a situation whereby you cannot generate enough power from your solar panel for your daily use in rainy season? Stick around, this video is for you. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at how you can maximize your solar panel output in rainy season. Maximizing your solar panel output in rainy season can be very challenging, but with the following steps, you'll be able to get the most out of your solar system during rainy season. Number one is panel maintenance and cleaning. Even though that during rainy season, rainfall helps to wash the surface of the solar panels, but moths, algae, bed droppings and leaves from trees stick on the surface of the solar panels, which cannot be completely washed away by rainfall. Therefore, it is recommended that after heavy storm, you have to clean the surface of your solar panels to make sure there is nothing shading the surface of the solar panel. Number two is optimizing solar panel positioning and orientation. In rainy or cloudy season, the sun is usually lower. Therefore, the tilt angle of your solar panel should be very close to the vertical to be able to capture more diffuse sunlight. Your solar panel should be mounted at an angle between 25 degrees to 45 degrees from the horizontal to get the most out of your solar system. And also the panel orientation. If you are living in northern hemisphere, your solar panel should face true south. But if you are living in southern hemisphere, your solar panel should face true north to get the most out of your solar system year round. Number three is use of high efficiency solar panels. Using high efficiency solar panels will help to draw more energy to your system. Monocrystalline solar panels are more efficient and work well in low light condition than polycrystalline solar panels. Therefore, if you want to get the most out of your solar system during rainy season, it's good that you go for a monocrystalline solar panel. Number four is add more solar panels to your system or oversize your system. Solar panels are the components of the solar system that generates electricity. Therefore, if you want to generate more electricity, you need to have more solar panels. During rainy season, when there is shorter daylight hours or low amount of sunlight, the power production of your solar panels reduces drastically. Therefore, if you want to harvest enough energy for your daily use in rainy season, you have to add more solar panels to your system. The more solar panels you add, the more electricity you will be able to generate. Number five is install MPPT charge controller. MPPT stands for maximum power point tracking. MPPT charge controller adjusts dynamically to draw the maximum power out of your solar panel. MPPT charge controller are more efficient and work well in low light condition than the PWM charge controller. So if you want to harvest more energy from your solar panels, it's good that you go for MPPT charge controller. Number six is increase your battery storage. The battery is the component of the solar system that stores electricity. During rainy season, when you don't have enough power production for your solar panels, it's good that you have enough battery bank to store the little amount of energy that is generated from the sun. The more battery storage you have, the more energy you can store. There is what we call days of autonomy in solar system. Days of autonomy are those days that you rely solely on your battery bank for your electricity needs. You can have 1 day of autonomy, 2 days of autonomy, 3 days of autonomy, depending on your budget and the size of your system. Therefore, during rainy season, you have to have enough battery bank that will sustain your loads for a longer period of time, even without the power production from the solar panels. Number seven is reduce your power consumption. During rainy season, you have to prioritize your critical loads like your lighting points, your fridge, your freezer, your router, and so on, instead of running everything at once. And you also have to switch off your heavy load appliances like your AC, your infrared cooker, your microwave, and so on, because these heavy load appliances can drain your battery very quickly. Therefore, during rainy season, you have to manage your loads much better to avoid blackouts. Click here to watch my recent upload on the differences between a solar generator and a normal solar inverter setup. If you find this video useful, do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so you'll be notified when I release new videos. See you in the next video.